Welcome to Busan, South Korea's second largest city, where local vibes, spicy eats, and ocean's views collide. From sky-high cityscapes to hidden seaside temples, we're diving deep into Korea's coastal gem. And yes, we're doing it in style. Let's go with part one.
We just had the best breakfast at this coziest cafe here. So I had like an avocado with poached eggs and shrimp, open face sandwich, just very artful. And then Marvin, what did you have, babe?
I had a few things. Delicious food. Man, this is my kind of spot.
Yeah, very artsy. Loved it. This is the stairs monorail. It's also stairs of wishes. So it's really for the elderly to actually make it up this hill to get to their homes. But if there are no residents, then you can ride it up and down.
You can actually walk up quicker than this tram or system. What's it called?
Monorail, maybe? Monorail.
Monorail. So more people are waiting to ride this up versus going down. So you can just walk up to the top and ride it down.
So wandering around Dakbak Gull, Mural Village, so you can see a lot of murals in this area.
Guys, welcome to Gamcheon Culture Village, Busan's most colorful hidden gem. Gamcheon is a vibrant hillside community that's a major tourist attraction. It's known for unique atmosphere and artistic appeal.
So it was originally constructed during the Korean War, so it was like a refuge for those who were escaping the war. Now it is this huge cultural attraction, so lots of shops and opportunity to kind of explore the village and walk through. Pro tip, this is Avant-Garde Cafe, so you can get the best views from this cafe. So all you need to do is purchase a drink and enjoy the view.
While you're here, you'll see brightly painted houses, creates a visually stunning and Instagram-worthy backdrop.
Now they say this is the Santorini of South Korea, but to us it's more like the Cheongsapo of South Korea. Also make
One of the things we did was we explored the winding streets and the back alleys, and this unique exploration experience would lead to hidden cafes, shop, and sometimes some art installations as well. And as you roam the streets, you'll see murals, sculptures, and other public art projects as well, adding to its unique charm. So this is the famous picture taking spot right here. The Little Prince and Fox line is probably, I don't know, 50 people deep.
sometimes the wait is as long as 2 hours. Would you wait 2 hours in this line?
Absolutely not. Let's go, hon. You ready? And of course, while you're here, multiple local cafes, street food snacks for you to try and experience as well.
Now we're at Jagalchi, the largest seafood open market in South Korea. As you know, Busan is a coastal city, so very fitting. There's so much seafood here. I mean, half the stuff I don't even recognize. So we'll show you.
And you can buy your fish and fresh seafood here. You can also have it cooked. They have restaurants as well, so you can basically select the fish select your seafood and have it cooked right here, or you can purchase it out here from the vendors and bring it to a restaurant and have it cooked as well. Yeah.
Very, very beautiful, handsome guy. So, box, welcome.
Thank you.
So this market is actually across the street from BIFF, and at BIFF, lots of street vendors, you got lots of comfort food, so you can try a lot of things, just browse around, try a few different dishes. What's it, the Hotek is one that's very famous as well. I may be butchering the name, but I tried it and it's delicious. So I tell you, there are lots of unique fish and shellfish here. There's a lot of things.
You say unique, I say strange.
Oh yeah, lots of stuff to try. I mean, you may know some of these things, and then some of them, I don't know. What do they look like?
Little pigs.
Alright, so I'm gonna see how to use the chopsticks.
Why are you trying to put me in blast?
I don't think she can use it well.
Don't be judging. Look.
Right, let me see the skill. Let me see the skill. She ain't got no skill.
Yes, I do. Look, look, look. And you're not crossed.
And then I cross. Hey, I'll just let you know I'm a novice, but I'm gonna try. Wow, nice big fish. Thank you. Told us you can't use a chopstick.
Oh, come on.
How is it?
It's so fresh.
Super fresh.
Lightly seasoned. I probably could use a little bit of sauce, but it's very nice fish.
Okay. I think this is a flounder. They also have sea bass and some other shellfish as well. But this is what we're getting.
We're super impressed. Like, very clean. It doesn't smell fishy or anything. It kind of reminds us of like when you're in Jamaica and you go to like El Shop. I mean, if you know, you guys know El Shop, you order your fish and they prepare it for you. This is kind of what they remind us of.
And guys, super fresh. A lot of the fish, they're still swimming around, so nothing on ice here. This fish was delicious. I'm so happy we came.
Welcome to
자갈치 신동아.
Jagalchi Fish Market.
매일 상해.
That's the name of the restaurant.
매일 샵.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. There we go.
매일 샵 is English every day.
Every
Every
day.
day. Okay.
Every day shop.
Okay, see you.
Very good.
Very good.
All right, thank you.
Yes, have a nice trip.
Okay. I'm a sucker for a coastal city, and in Busan there are a number of beaches. This is Haeundae, one of the most popular beaches here. As you can see, wide area, huge bay. So in the mornings you can see people like jogging, walking, exercising, you know, just a lot of activities right here.
10 minutes or so.
The capsule is a great way to see the coastline of Busan. So it's very scenic. It sits up high. You can see the entire ocean and the city in the back as well. The ride takes about 30 minutes and it's just a leisurely 30 minutes.
So the capsule only goes 4 miles per hour.
World's slowest express train.
Look, some runners, they're going faster than us. But we're just enjoying the view. So lots of viewpoints along the coast. So here's another one. You don't have tickets to come on the capsule. You can also take a train that runs along the coastline, or you can go for a run or just walk along the path as well.
That was a quick 30 minutes.
Oh yeah. So after the capsule ride, we arrived in Cheongsapo. We walked approximately 10 minutes from the Capsule station to Daritol Skywalk. So Daritol is a cool glass skywalk over the ocean. Now you can see amazing panoramic views of the sea and the coast. Anne-Marie was really scared to walk over the glass surface, but with some coaching and encouragement she actually made it, so I'm proud of her.
The floor is glass, like it freaks me out. Trust in their engineering. Should I trust it more?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
So while in South Korea, you must try a Korean barbecue restaurant. Hobanjan is an unassuming restaurant located in Haeundae district of Busan. It's very popular among the locals and tourists alike. So we had a delicious traditional Korean barbecue experience with beef and the accompanying sides, and Big Marv on the grills, the 1-2s. So when in Busan, don't miss the Kwanali Drone Light Show. Super cool event, 700 drones lighting up the sky, amazing pictures, the telling stories and the music as well. It occurs every Saturday and the time differs based on the time of year. The shows only last 10 minutes and it's absolutely free, so come early, grab a spot and check it out. Guys, let us know, what do you think about Busan? Drop a comment below. Look out for Busan Part 2. Check out our Seoul video as well. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time.